The installation video is intended to be used in conjunction with the written instructions. We would like to emphasize that in step 2, cleaning the surface thoroughly is very important. If possible, you could use a power washer the day before and then come back the next day with a blower and a broom to finish the job. At a minimum, we do suggest using a blower. The first part of step 3 is not on the video, where the two installers walk the mat out into its upright position. When the mat is pulled out about halfway, take the unrolled portion, which is not shown, and drag it back over itself upside down. At this point, this is where the video in step 3 starts again. In step 4, where you see the underside surface being scored, the cardboard tube has been placed underneath that surface in the loop created when the mat has been folded back onto itself.